Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 131 Millstrood Road here in Whitstable. This is a semi-detached bungalow in need of modernisation, but it comes with a traditional layout and a nice easy layout to work with. We've got two double bedrooms, a really good size 16-foot lounge dining room alongside the conservatory, the kitchen and the main family bathroom space, and a low maintenance rear garden. And location wise, we are close to all of your local amenities. With this property as well, it's worth noting that there is no forward chain and vacant possession with this one, making it a nice easy option to move straight into and to crack on with. So having come through into the property, we've had a good look already at the main lounge dining space to the front, that lovely big window letting all of that natural light flood through. And then from there we've gone through and taken a look at the kitchen space, slightly more modern in its design and style, giving you one less job to do when you move in. Coming through from there, we've got one of the bedrooms with a fitted wardrobes on the right hand side. You've also got the plumbing in there for the sink as well, so perhaps ensuite potential. From there, we've got the main family shower room, and then also we've got another bedroom which leads through into the conservatory and then on into the rear garden. So just to recap a few points on the property, this is number 131 Millstrood Road. This is a semi-detached bungalow in need of some modernisation. We've got two double bedrooms, 16-foot lounge dining space with conservatory, low maintenance rear garden, and close to all of your local amenities as well as no forward chain. I really hope you enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.